All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. I did inform you that we made it completely out of our favorites.vy file, so we're going to be moving forward with our buy me a coffee contract that we're going to be building, we're actually already building. So it's going to get caught up to speed, and I can actually get you guys to where I am right now. First, we're going to go into the introduction. In this section, where we're starting to go over more complex modules and files. This will be a buy me a coffee contract, which is a simple contract that allows users to send Ether to the contract owner as a form of support or appreciation with a couple of cool add-ons. The file that we'll be building this contract in will be called buymeacoffee.vy, of course. Now, before we start building, we will do a walkthrough of everything we need to do, everything we need in order to build this contract. Now, what we're going to do is allow people to fund us, which means that they will send us money based off some price that we set, which will be $50, for example, to fund us in order for us to buy a coffee. And we'll be doing things like getting the value of the Ethereum that's sent, which means that we'll be getting the pricing information for our smart contract. Then we're going to add some functionality to withdraw the money out as well. And there's just some other things that we'll be implementing as well with this smart contract. We'll be going over a lot of advanced Vyper and EVM concepts along the way as well. Now, keep in mind that it's very important to understand the basics and foundations as we go, because as we move forward and introduce AI into our smart contracts, you have to be able to understand what is going on under the hood in case AI does something unexpected or we need to debug something. Let's move down a little bit further. We have a project set up here. So the first thing we will do inside of the Remix IDE is to create the hi.so file again, which will get compiled by the Selenium compiler. And this is a step that we actually take because sometimes the compiler or the remix doesn't play well with the Vyper. So we have to do a hi.so file and compile it in Selenium to make sure everything is working smooth with our projects so we can move forward. Now, again, this is what we're going to be doing to put our hi.so file. It's going to be the SPDX license identifier. MIT, which is a license that allows us to use this code freely as long as we give credit to the original author. So you can see this here, the SPDX license identifier MIT. Then we got Pragma Selenium 0.18.18 is the version we're going to run in. And then we got the contract.high is how we're going to run it. And that's basically what we have so far. I'm going to leave it as that for the introduction, but we will pick it up more tomorrow as we move forward. I will keep you posted on everything we'll be doing inside of this buy me a coffee contract. But of course, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.